In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Epic Games failed error code Ii-e1003. If you've encountered this error, it can be quite frustrating, but don't worry. We're here to walk you through the process of troubleshooting and resolving this issue step by step. First and foremost, start by checking your internet connection. This may seem like a basic step, but connectivity issues are often the root cause of many error codes. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that your connection is stable. Try restarting your router or modem and then attempt to open the Epic Games launcher again. If your internet connection is solid, but you're still encountering the error, move on to the next step. Next, make sure your Epic Games launcher is up to date. Outdated software can lead to various errors, including the one you're facing. Open the launcher if possible and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for updates and, if available, download and install them. Restart your launcher afterward to see if this resolves the issue. If updating the launcher does not solve the problem, the next thing to try is clearing the launcher's web cache. The web cache can sometimes become corrupted or overloaded, leading to errors. To do this, fully close the Epic Games launcher. Then, locate the Epic Games directory on your computer, usually found in C, Program Files or C, Program Files x86, and open it. Inside, you'll see a folder labeled Web Cache. Delete this folder entirely. Don't worry, the cache will rebuild itself the next time you open the launcher. Another important thing to check is your computer's firewall or security software, which might be blocking access to the Epic Games network. Head to the settings of your firewall or security software and see if the Epic Games launcher is listed as an allowed program. Add it to the allowed list if necessary and then retry launching the application to see if the error persists. If you're still experiencing issues, repairing the Epic Games launcher might do the trick. You can do this by accessing your computer's control panel and navigating to Programs and Features. Locate the Epic Games launcher in the list. Right-click it, and choose Repair. Follow the prompts to complete the repair process, then try launching the application again. Lastly, if none of these steps have worked, try reinstalling the Epic Games launcher altogether. Begin by uninstalling the software through the Programs and Features menu in your control panel. Once uninstalled, head to the Epic Games website to download the latest version of the launcher. Install it and log in with your credentials. With any luck, the error code will now be a thing of the past. And there you have it. By following these troubleshooting tips, you should be able to fix the Epic Games failed error code Ii-e1003 and return to gaming without interruption. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching.